Hello, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. Today I want to talk about how you can use PLR and resale rights to attract prospects to your list and to your products. Now, the single biggest key is to start with the market, not with a PLR. For example, if you buy Facebook PLR, you don't necessarily want to go out to market that Facebook PLR. You want to start with what? Where's the market? What is it that the market is requiring? What is it that they desire, and what is it that they have questions about? Because that is the way that you're going to be able to take whatever you have on your hard drive, whatever you have in your inventory, and then you're going to be able to adapt that to a market and have a sellable product, even if you have to change the PLR. And so the question is, what do you need to respond to the market, and how will you respond? In other words, what will make it a no-brainer for me to opt in to get your report or video about whatever the subject matter is? So if you understand your market, you understand what it is that they're looking for, you can then start to determine what kind of report, what kind of video, what can you take from your PLR in order to give me so that I will want to opt into your list without question. And of course, now one of the things that you're going to be using in order to get people to that opt-in page is targeted specific content and blogging or platform content, which will show people how to solve their particular problem. In other words, we are responding to the market. We're getting a sense for what it is that they want to know and what it is that they want to solve. We can also, of course, use paid advertising. We're going to be able to get them to look at an ad, to click over to our opt-in page, and then to attract them onto our list with something fantastic. Once again, making sure that it's a no-brainer. And of course, we can also use pre-sale video. And in all cases, we can use all three of these things. All three of these things actually go together: content, advertising, video, because the video is actually in and of itself search content. We can also use pre-sale audio and podcasting. So if you primarily deliver great content using podcasting or audio, you want to consider using podcasting or interviews. You can also use JV and collaboration. Now, this is a more advanced strategy, but if you can create an alliance where you can either be on someone's download page, or if you want to create a product together with someone, you can then start to bring people onto your list through collaboration. You will have more people coming to your product as a result of your partnership. And of course, one of the things that you can do to attract people onto your list is to use what's called the product creation snowball. And that's where you're going to repeatedly create products, and people are going to come in small numbers, but as they come, they then start to become part of your list. You're not really concerned necessarily about having a big launch. You're going to do lots of little launches. You're going to do them in places like Warrior Plus, and a place where you're going to be able to get a lot of attention by the eyeballs onto your particular offer, and then you will build your list gradually. Of course, in all of these cases, you're going to use your rights products for all of these, even the product creation snowball, as you begin to make unique products with them. You're using your PLR in order to build your list and to create momentum with buyers and create momentum with prospects. But ultimately, and this is very important, this has been mentioned before, if you want to have profit where people are coming to your site and you are not chasing them, you and I will need to create a platform that's going to be something where we're going to be giving people on a regular basis the information that they're seeking to achieve their goals and to solve their problems. And we're going to do that with something unique in the marketplace. And that is going to have to help them get to their goals. In most cases, you can focus on problems. But eventually, you want people to come back to you over and over again. You and I have to help people to accomplish their goals with our content. If we do this on a regular basis, we're going to be able to use our PLR in different ways in order to give people what they want and to create products and to attract people into our marketing funnel so that we can sell them the things that will actually meet their needs. Now, if you would like some help getting started with this, my team has put together a video training that covers 11 different ways you can use and repurpose PLR to generate profits into your business. You can check that out at impc.ws/PPL. Okay, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me tonight, and I will see you again next week. Take care.